Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello everyone. Every video right from this one onwards goes to suggest to you 8 methods of preparing yourself as a fluent, flawless and confident English speaker. The tip today is pay attention to the rules and conventions of language experts and try to comply with the same to the best of your possibility. Suppose you have problems at the initial stages. Don't lose heart. Perseverance is the essence of success. Set your pace and have a balance in your efforts. Hello friends. I'm happy leading you to the section English Easy Steps. Today is day 13. Now, we shall have a deal on the fifth of the voiceless and voiced consonant pairs, namely f, f and w, w. The consonant sounds f and w are paired together because they are produced in the same part of the mouth. The f is unvoiced or voiceless as you don't use your vocal cords to produce it. Only air passes through your mouth when you produce that sound. Find below the example words beginning with the f sound. Face, feet, fly, food, phone, physique. Once again, face, feet, fly, food, phone, physique. The following words have the f sound in the middle. Elephant, laughter, graphite, certificate, perfect, satisfaction. Once again, elephant, laughter, graphite, certificate, perfect, satisfaction. Given below are the example words that have the f sound at the end. Buff, graph, rough, chef, golf, knife. Once again, buff, graph, rough, chef, golf, knife. Now, we shall switch to the consonant v. It is voiced as your vocal cords vibrate when you pronounce it. Given below are the example words that have the v sound at the beginning. Van, vehicle, village, visit, viscount, vowel. Once again, van, vehicle, village, visit, viscount, vowel. Find below the example words that have the v sound in the middle. Coverage, environment, harvest, heaven, private, service. Once again, coverage, environment, harvest, heaven, private, service. The following words have the v sound at the end. Active, competitive, gal, relative, sensitive, wave. Once again, active, competitive, glove, relative, sensitive, wave. Okay friends, the session has been brief. It has come to an end. We shall meet after a couple of days. Okay, bye.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.